Bitcoin myth. Bitcoin is bad for the environment. When you actually understand Bitcoin, you realize it's not bad for the environment. It's the absolute opposite. With Bitcoin, miners are incentivized to use green, renewable, cheaper sources of energy. We can monetize unused energy. We can stabilize energy grids with stranded energy that's not being used, meaning we are using energy that otherwise was being wasted. Okay, we are monetizing or creating money from natural resources that it's not viable to create electricity there. Think of a volcano in the middle of nowhere. Think of a river in the middle of nowhere. We can monetize it and transport that energy by turning it into Bitcoin. Create digital energy. Okay, the reason why Bitcoin has this energy FUD narrative around it is because Bitcoin's energy usage is so transparent. How much energy does our traditional financial system use? Do you think it's more than Bitcoin to run our existing financial system? If you'd like more tips to understand Bitcoin, follow me. Bitcoin with Dinny out.